Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a minute since I have posted a weekly plan with me. I will be uploading some of my plan with me's that I did film once I edit them. But I have been a busy gal. My birthday was in March and I went on vacation. I went to Disney, y'all. And then my birthday, I also went on a work trip my birthday weekend, so that was pretty cool. So yeah, I've been super duper busy, finally done with school, and I thought I would have time for more planning videos, but finding other ways to keep myself busy. Anyways, so that's what's up. We are planning for the week of April 2nd through the 8th. I'm not using Above Studios Ella kit. That's actually next week. And I did want to show like an updated sticker storage a little bit. So I got this from Target. It was in the clearance. It was at like $1.50 and it's so cute. So I do have a bunch of other binders. I think I have 4 other mini binders, 4 or 5. And those are sorted by brand. One of them is like a big binder, and that one has my printable kits that I pre-printed, and like kind of my next up, so I don't have to like sift through everything and like remember what I wanted to use or whatever. But I'm trying this new way, so we'll see how it works. Most of my printables I can cut down to fit in here, so I feel pretty good about it. Anyways, I just wanted to kind of give you a little update on my sticker storage thing. Where is the kit that I'm using for this week? Oh, is it in here? It is. It's not. It is. It's not. It is. Okay. So while I was organizing my stickers, I found some really oldies but goodies that I totally forgot that I had. So this is a Caress Press kit. This is the Happy Mail Heist. I think this was like a mystery kit that she did. But I don't know. Like, I thought it was really cute, and to me, the tribal seems like April-y to me. I don't know why. I think this is a mini kit because I only have 4 pages plus the double box, but I thought I could make this work, so I'm probably going to need more stickers. I did not think this through. Let's see what we can do with white space, though. I feel like we might be able to make something happen. I feel confident. What do you think? Okay. So let's start with the bottom washi. I feel like I was in the middle of a story and I got sidetracked by how little stickers there are. I digress. Actually, let's do these little flaggies first. And if you've never ordered from Caress Press, she has like this premium vinyl. It was the original. No, I don't know. I don't remember the original shop that I ordered premium matte from, but I fell in love. Love at first touch. But I know like I was really into premium matte shops, which includes Caress Press because she has really cute kit design and the sticker paper is really good. Okay. So I don't really have anything like planned this week. All right. Oh, I am hungry. It's Easter, y'all, and sorry if my head's in the shot. Okay. There we go. Bottom washi down. I think it's cute. I don't have any headers. I'm gonna try some of these leftover headers from a Miss Sabine Elise kit, because I actually forgot to use them. You know when you set stickers out and then you don't actually use them? because there's no headers in this. this is what the week is looking like so far. I didn't realize this was like such a mini kit, and I am not good at white space planning, even though I already kind of planned out my week. So I don't know. This stresses me out. This is more stressful to me than like no white space planning. I don't know. I'm a weird person like that. But anyways, I am going to write some stuff in just so I know. Okay, so this is all I have for the week so far. I get overwhelmed with white space planning when I don't have things to like fill space, so I just kind of put things in. I'm pretty sure I will do 3 different things on Thursday and 2 more things other than work on Friday. So like I left a little room to either write something in and put a sticker in or something of the sort. I'm just not good at white space planning. No. But I'm off on Saturday and Sunday, kind of. So Saturday is going to be my cleaning day, and then Sunday I have to do inventory in the morning, which is stressful, and yes. And then the last thing to note is I put a 15-minute tidy on my habit tracker because I'm trying to work in zones and slowly but surely clean up my house, and 15 minutes is not a lot of time. It goes way faster than you think, and you actually get more done in 15 minutes than you think you could. So that's all for this week's Plan With Me. Thanks for watching, guys. Sorry it was a hot mess. Bye!